This is how to video to set a ringtone for an iPhone. First, you screen record a video, sound, or a song that you want. Next, you need to get Ringtone Master GarageBand. If you don't have a screen recorder on your phone, then get Record It. And don't forget to save your videos to your photo if you use Record It. Now open up Ringtone Maker. Now press the plus at the bottom of the screen. Then you press Import for Videos. Then pick your sound, video, or song that you recorded and save to your photos. Now, press the first one. Next, press play to make sure it's the sound that you want. Then press make. Then press GarageBand. Then it will import the sound/video to GarageBand. Then hold the sound for a bit, then many buttons will pop up. Then press share. Then press ringtone. A message will pop up and press continue. Then you can change the name to whatever you like. Then press export. Press use sounds as. Then a few will pop up, but press standard ringtone. Don't press OK. Now you got your ringtone.